Welcome, creatives. It is Monday, and I am continuing working on my piece today. I'm just focusing on adding another layer to the lower hand and fixing the arm that's up here. And I'm seeing some things that just weren't working, and finally seeing them, seeing why that arm here is still kind of upsetting me. It's not working. So I am going to rework that just a bit and adjust the area, the elbow area, and we'll see where we go from there. And what I want to do tomorrow, I want to finish up this second layer, let it dry, and then Thursday, I keep talking about glazing, and I'm going to be demonstrating how I glaze, why I like to glaze, what colors you can use for glazing, and so forth. So that's going to be the demonstration for Thursday. But tomorrow, I'll continue adding a layer. And that's it. Happy Monday. Happy creating. I'll see you tomorrow.